When constructing 34.5 kilovolt distribution lines and exceeding standard spans of 150 to 200 feet, several specifications must be considered for longer spans using heavy arms, double arms, and taller poles. This information focuses on single pole construction with the reference conductors before transitioning to H structures. First, consider the conductor. For spans up to 400 feet, use either 397.5 mcm or 500 mcm axle Molen. Then the ground conductor. For spans up to 350 feet, use 4/0 axle Penguin, and for spans over 350 feet, use 266.8 mcm axle Penguin. Next, pole selection. For spans up to 200 feet, use Class 3 poles with a 45-foot length. For extended span poles, specifically for spans over 200 feet up to 300 feet, use Class 4 poles with a 50-foot length, or Class 5 poles with a 55-foot length. For extra extended span poles, designed for spans over 300 feet up to 400 feet, use Class 6 poles with a 60-foot length, or 65-foot reinforced poles. Moving on to arm selection, for spans up to 250 feet, use 9-foot wood arms. For heavy arm applications involving spans over 250 feet up to 350 feet, use 10-foot or 12-foot wood arms with double cross arms. For double arm configurations, for spans over 350 feet up to 400 feet, use two 10-foot or 12-foot wood arms mounted on a double arm pole. It is essential to maintain Raptor-safe spacing. Maintain a minimum of 60 inches between phases and 45 inches between phases in the ground conductor. Other critical considerations include guy wires, which may be required for extended span poles in areas with high wind loads. Use dead-end insulators for arm terminations and pole top insulators. For spans exceeding 400 feet, H structures are typically required. Specific span lengths may vary depending on conductor sag, terrain conditions, and local regulations. It is recommended to consult with a qualified engineer for accurate span calculations and design recommendations. Always follow all applicable safety protocols during line construction and maintenance.